What's up guys, it's Otto here. Today we are going to do unboxing of OneOf0 Dissipate DeskPad, a best looking mousepad for Ducky keyboard with Joker keycaps and Frozen Llama keycaps, and also best looking mousepad for Logitech G Pro X Superlight gaming mouse. In the delivery package I have a personalized letter, in other words an invoice, and also nicely colored box with DeskPad. There were two colors to choose from and I have chosen iodine color, which is coded to pink, purple and black color. On the box we have summarized the main features, such as DeskPad has a thickness of 4 mm, it has a smooth cloth top and anti-slip rubber bottom, it has a tightly woven stitches edges for enhanced durability to reduce fraying over time, it has a smooth cloth top meaning smooth surface for effortless gliding and compatibility with all mice, and I will be testing gliding of Logitech G Pro X Superlight gaming mouse on it. It has an anti-slip rubber bottom, textured rubber base will grip to all flat surfaces to ensure your DeskPad is stable. This DeskPad is initially meant for iodine keyboard, which is a collaboration between OneOf0 and Ducky keyboard maker. But due to the shipment delivery delays, I will be designing it on my desk with my current Ducky Good in Blue keyboard, which is customized with keycaps in teal, pink and purple colors. And if you are interested to see the unboxing of Ducky Iodine 65% keyboard, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to do not miss it. Or check my other videos of unboxing Ducky keyboards, SteelSeries keyboard or Logitech G Pro X Superlight gaming mouse. Now let me slide out the DeskPad from the white plastic branded bag, which has very nice rope drawstrings. It's always nice to have a bag where you can store your DeskPad when changing to another one. I can smell a little bit of the rubber from the DeskPad, but nothing which would be too much annoying. Let me unroll the DeskPad and we can examine the beautiful colors. I really love the combination of pink and purple and the transitions between the colors, as well as the dark color on one side. The direction of the DeskPad is actually opposite, from left to right to left, but somehow I like it positioned this way. Obviously dust is everywhere and even this beautiful DeskPad is not dust resistant. Now let me turn the DeskPad to position and direction as it is designed by OneOf0 company, and you can again see that the colors are really amazing. Now when we have the DeskPad unrolled on my unboxing desk, let's test how the best designed wireless mouse is going to look on it, and we can also test how gliding is going to work for Logitech G502 Lightspeed wireless mouse. It glides well, and also gliding of Logitech G Pro X Superlight is smooth. Let's listen a little bit of ASMR of heavy mouse flex. As you could hear, the mice glide well, and even putting mouse down from lift-offs is dampening the sound relatively well, as it is spongy soft. I can say the gliding of mouse on it is relatively silent, so let's have a closer look on the fabric material. So the fabric is very smooth and it almost looks like it is a silk fabric. Outside stitching is a black outline with black stitching, and it is slightly raised so you feel it when hitting it with bottom of your mouse feet. Stitching quality is 100% perfect and you won't be able to see start and finish of the stitching. Now let's replace my Logitech G840 XL mousepad, which is 3 mm or 0.1 inches thick, and as you can see it is a little bit dirty and worn. I've been using it for 1.5 years and I cannot complain about it, as it is meant for low DPI gamers who make sweeping and rapid hand movements. The rubber bottom base keeps the entire surface in place, preventing the cloth from bunching up, and to maintain smooth mouse movement across the entire DeskPad. And now is the time to position the edge of DeskPad to match the edge of my desk, and we are all set to start putting back my accessories such as the best wireless mouse G Pro X Superlight, and also my Ducky Good in Blue keyboard with Joker keycaps and Frozen Llama keycaps. I am really looking forward for unboxing of OneOf0 iodine Ducky keyboard, so stay tuned. Now we can have a close look to anti-slip rubber bottom, and the textured rubber base will grip to all flat surfaces to ensure your DeskPad is stable. And by comparing it to another high quality desk pad, Logitech G840 XL mousepad, you can see there is not much difference except the color and the anti-slippery pattern. For paint coating quality point of view, I have to mention that my desk pad has a minor flaw by having 2 light color shaded spots on it, for which I have reached out to One-of-Zero company. And the final thoughts, One-of-Zero iodine desk pad has very soft wrist roughness on the fabric as well as on the stitches, and the mousepad surface feels very nice to the wrist. Texture roughness of the fabric is well made, and mouse move feels on surface very soft for mouse gliding and flicks as well. Mouse gliding itself is very smooth and does not bring any significant resistance to the speed of mouse glide. In overall, very good job One-of-Zero. And until my next video, cheers!